Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video I want to remind you about one of our most popular free indicators. It's the free Direction Finder indicator. There's indicators that uses arrows to show you the direction of trade with 97% accuracy. And it's a free download. You can download this off directly after watching this video. So just to remind you, Expert Forex has a free forum. It's totally free. You can just join it, and it is full of free trading tools and education. That is the purpose of this forum. And as you can see here, you can download free robots and indicators. There we are. And you can download free courses and books, and there are a whole host of educational videos that you can look at. So the whole emphasis of this forum is free education for traders that want to develop their skills. And the topic of today's discussion is this free indicator area over here. So let's go and have a look at that in a bit more detail. Okay, so here is the free download area for indicators, and here are some of the indicators that can be downloaded. And as you can see, there's one here, the free MT4 Forex candlestick indicator, most popular indicator that we have. It has been downloaded no less than 46,000 times. And in fact, I'll go to this website so that we can have a look at some of the alternatives. And what I want to feature in today's video is the Direction Finder with 97% accuracy, and it has been downloaded 17,000 times. So please go and visit this forum. There's a massive amount of free trading tools and courses that will turn you into a much better trader. So let's go and have a look at this forum. Okay, so here I am on the actual forum that I showed you earlier, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into the free robots and indicators download area. And as you can see, there's a section for trading robots, and there's also a section for indicators or trading tools. So we're going to go into the trading tools area. And here's a few specialized ones for the market phase indicator, the spread monitor, and then the multiple moving average indicator course. We're going to go into the download the free trading tools area. And here we are on the page that you saw earlier, and you can see all of the tools that are downloadable, the trend finder, and other and members also download their own indicators. So you can see some of them are there's the download person, so some of them are not myself, and there's the candlestick pattern indicator downloaded 46,000 times. The Direction Finder will go into that, and it goes on, and you can see as you scroll down the pin bar identification and alarm indicator 8,000 times, the best scalper indicator 13,000 downloads. So there's a massive amount of resources on this particular page. So let's go into the Direction Finder. And here we are on that particular page. And what has happened is I've already done a video on this particular one. So I'm not going to repeat this video. So all you have to do is come down to this page and click on the video, and you can then watch the video from scratch. It's an 8-minute video. I like using the full screen, so I would click on YouTube like that, and it will open up the full screen, and you can go and watch that particular video there. And then there are full details on how you can install the indicator. There is the actual indicator. You can download it directly there, and there are the instructions to do that. And you can download any of the other indicators using those kind of instructions. Now, there's been a lot of discussion around this free Direction Finder indicator. A lot of people have looked at it and said, oh, what are the possibilities of automating it and that type of thing. But please go and download this Direction Finder indicator and look at all the other indicators that there are. You will be amazed at the resources that we've built up over the years that will help you in your trading. All the links to the forum and the pages in the forum will be in the description of the video and also in the first commentary of the video. So please use those. And if you're not already a member of the free forum, just merely join and you'll have full access to all of those pages. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.